Today we will talk about the formation of the solar system. Earth formed about 4.6 billion years ago by the accretion of solid particles from a cloud of gas and dust. Earth's atmosphere and ocean started forming as the planet itself was being built as a consequence of the release of volatile materials during impacts. The sun is thought to have formed from a collapsing cloud of interstellar dust and gas, which make up the dish-shaped cloud fragments in space that are referred to as solar nebula. Formation of planets was started by the heating of solar nebula by the emerging sun, the proto-sun. Small particles of solid material then begin to condense from the gas. In the hot inner parts of the nebula, these particles consisted of rocky materials such as iron and silicate minerals. That is the reason for Earth and other terrestrial planets such as Mercury, Mars, and Venus to be composed principally of rock. The cold outer parts of the nebula contain icy materials such as water, methane, and ammonia. That is the reason for gas giants such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune to contain these volatile compounds. Volatile compounds are substances that have low boiling points. The particles were formed by condensation and were gravitationally attracted to the midplane of the nebula, where they clump together to form planetesimals, which are small protoplanets. The core of the Earth also began to form because of the melting of the crust and upper mantle. Continued bombardment of the surface by smaller planetesimals should have released large amounts of water and other volatile compounds directly into the atmosphere, which is known as impact degassing. And this is just a chart showing the process of impact degassing in Earth's atmosphere. This modern conception of planetary formation contrasts with older theories in which Earth was thought to have accreted as a cold, airless body, in which the atmosphere was thought to have formed later from gases given off by volcanoes. The evidence for this heavy bombardment period comes from the Moon, Mars, and Mercury from about 3.8 billion years ago. The lunar cratering record is the best understood because some of the craters have been dated by using rocks collected near their rims. One example of a solar body created in our system is the creation of the Moon. The creation of the Moon started because Mars collided into Earth, then some of the ejecta from Earth, such as gas, dust, and debris, created today's rotation band around Earth, and also those particles accreted together to create the Moon, which again, accretion is just particles sticking together. Scientists are not 100% sure how the solar system was formed, but meteorites and craters give us the best explanations.